Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. An extra video again for you this week. This is a Let's Resin unboxing, but this is a yay Let's Resin unboxing with brand new product just launched this week. I'll link the last unboxing video here if you missed it. I only posted that last week, but these have now arrived and I am so excited to use the polyurethane. It's one of my favorite products and it's definitely growing on me for the speed. First up, we have these coasters. I mentioned in that video that I linked that I got this set of coasters, but they'd been cut, they'd been damaged in the post. So Let's Resin did go ahead and send me a new set of those. Cannot wait to try them. Next up, they sent me this gorgeous jewellery kit. Now, you've seen me make little bits on my channel before, but I've never had these molds. These molds are giving me all of the retro vibes for jewellery and earrings. They come with 2 sets of findings so that you can hook them in your ears, but also you get 2 molds of each, so you can make a pair at a time. You don't have to wait for one earring to cure before you go ahead and make the next earring. These are giving me pure retro, like Pat Butcher. These are really giving me Pat Butcher vibes, and I cannot wait to share the video with you where I use these with their brand new resin that they've also sent me. I'm going to show you that now in a second, but such a cool little kit. This one here I've had before, but the others, they are all new to me. And this dinky little set, it's got like 3 faceted diamond edge ones and 3 plain, and they would be perfect for stud earrings. This is the set I'm going to be sharing in another video coming up this week. This is their UV resin, but guys, colours, what? 12 colours of UV resin: yellow, black, green, white, peach, lake green, blue, purple, red, and pink, purple, and caramel. They are beautiful to use. I got on really well with them. Cannot wait to show you that video. But finally, pièce de résistance, we have the polyurethane. Now, if you watched Monday's video, I told you in that video that they do have a brand new polyurethane just launched. Guys, 10-minute cure. 10 minutes. Low viscosity, low odor, 1-to-1 ratio by volume or weight. So you can weigh it out or you can eyeball it. That is the beauty of this one. And they've sent me 2 really big containers. They sent me a big kit. I will get through this, trust me. Again, it's 1-to-1 ratio by volume or weight, and it's gonna cure white. Very similar to that video you saw on Monday where I used a completely different brand, but this one, this looks very clear already. Like, I'm so excited to use this. This is going to be the very next video on my channel where I show you the Let's Resin polyurethane that has just launched, guys. This is brand new for Let's Resin. Anything you see here in this video, I'm already excited for everything on screen right now. It's going to be linked below. Cannot wait. I cannot wait. Like, it's ridiculous how excited I get when something new comes out, especially the coloured UV. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.